Hey everyone, and welcome to this channel. And in these videos, I'm going to show you System.io, how you can connect with your custom domain, with your own domain, and with Google domains. So let's jump out, and I'm going to show you for that. And recently, I have been changing and using for Google domain. The reason is because I realized that the charges of the fees is quite consistent for every single year, and I'm totally love it. This is so much easy to use. Okay, and let me jump to you with this with my System.io account. All right, so I recently purchased this domain called dot loonengineering.com. Right, so I click on save. Right, so you will jump out with this. Okay, one is called www.loonengineering.com, and what you can do is just copy. Okay, let's jump out with the Google domain. Okay, when you go on to you click on a DNS. When you log into Google domain, you click on DNS, and with here you just put on www. All right, and this will be a CNAME, and here you'll be going to paste everything at the last part over here. You want to paste it. Okay, and then you create another new one. Okay, this one we're talking about. Okay, you copy before that, before loonengineering.com, and before your domain, and you're going to paste over here. Okay, so remember this dot. Okay, this dot, remember to cancel that. Okay, that is show that this is much more relevant over here. We choose CNAMEs as well, and the last part, okay, copy everything. After that, we click on save, and we are done. Right, so I will be cutting out for these videos. I will take a pause. Okay, they will see that after we refresh, and then let's say see it shows that ready to use. All right, so I take a pause over here. All right, so we are back. So I just refresh, and the time taken is around 20 minutes. Okay, it shows that ready to use. So for those, if you are still can't get to be ready to use, and you can go on to this called DNS checker. Right, just key on your domain. So, and you click on choose on the CNAMEs, and you click on search for them, and you will see all the text. So if all is not come up with a non-resolved, it means that you need to redo, and everything has to be done. All right, so I hope this video is able to help you, okay, for connecting your domain, the custom domain, with Google domains, and I hope that you guys love it, and we'll see you in the next video. Then bye.